In this new video, you will now discover multiple operators in Python, and how to use them. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Types of operators. Depending upon the type of operations you want to perform, there are 7 types of operators in Python. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. Let's move forward to the last type of operators. Membership operators. Membership operators, in and not in, are used to test whether a value, or variable, is found in a sequence, string, list, tuple, set or dictionary. Following are the membership operators that we have in Python, and return a boolean. For instance, if a value 3 is found in the list x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the statement 3 in x will return true. On the other hand, the statement 3 not in x will return false, since 3 is not an element of this list. In this tutorial, you discovered multiple operators that Python supports, so you can combine objects into expressions. You should now have quite a good understanding of the assignment, logical and comparison operators. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.